hanging out at the office on a great day. Edgar's here, but we do have a chip challenge. Edgar, you like chips? Hot, spicy food?
Yes.
Are you gonna do the chip challenge? Oh, he's not gonna do the chip challenge. Nicole, are you gonna do the chip challenge? Okay. Let's see who's gonna do the chip challenge. Thomas, Trey, chip challenge? Yeah. Oh, okay. One. Robert, chip challenge? You don't even like spicy food, so I don't even know what the hell.
I hate spicy food. So I might fuck up if I do this.
Oh, well, I mean, there's about an hour and 40 minutes, hour and 20 minutes before end of work. We do have a restroom for you to use. You gonna do it? Ooh! Hello, Shark Boy, John, chip challenge? You're down, you like spicy though. You like it, the spice.
I'm ready to die.
Oh gosh, you ready to poop? Hey, there's only one restroom, you guys realize that?
Oh, it won't affect me.
Okay. You fire butt. Okay, chip challenge been going around for a while, but our buddy X, love you buddy, hope to see you soon, sent us some chips. So I figured, hey, why not? I know it's an old challenge, but it's just for us to have some fun during some work hours. So let's try to gather up a couple, there you go. I was gonna go get you. Oh, you have it, you have it. Okay, let's set up a section. You guys are gonna poop your pants. Really not doing it? You're not gonna do a chip challenge?
No.
No, just straight up nah. Nah.
I don't even do Cheeto challenge.
Damn, man. What are you working on over here? Oh, this Eliminate with their cars. Good stuff, Randy. Collaboration coming soon, but let's see what they're working on. You guys. Diarrhea, here we come. Yo, Rob looks low-key scared though. John, Shark Boy, Chad, Robert, Thomas or Trey, okay? You guys, good luck. And the timer's over here. Stick it in your mouth. That's what she said. Let's do it. Wait, what? Shit. Oh shit. Oh, oh no.
No, it's bad. He's weird.
Is timer starting? Okay, how many more seconds?
It's 11 seconds, barely.
Barely.
So how many seconds?
11 seconds.
It's gonna be 30, guys. Tell me how you feeling. Tell me how you feeling.
Bad.
How you feeling?
It's hot.
It's hot. How you feeling?
It's pretty hot.
Oh yeah? You guys are, hey, they're pretty calm. Look at this. You guys are pretty calm at chip challenge right now. 30 seconds yet?
That's bad.
Pretty much swallowed? You guys all swallowed?
Yeah.
Okay. Premature swallow, okay. They are prematurely swallowed, so don't even worry about it.
Finish him.
Tell us. Tell us.
That's bad.
Oh, are you crying?
Oh.
You're
I want that milk so bad right now.
No. Okay, he's got the milk. Alright, Trey's gone. Trey took the milk. He's gone. He's gone. He's got the mad hiccups right now. I feel so bad that I'm not a part of it. No, I'm not really. No, I don't feel bad at all.
So much saliva.
Everything is coming out of every pore. Oh my gosh.
This is bad.
Oh yeah.
What are you feeling?
Oh
my god. You're still dying.
Yes.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez, you guys.
Fuck my saliva.
my saliva. Oh jeez. Yo, there's a lot of mucus.
Oh, your shirt.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, fuck. You
guys want after? You guys want after?
That was a bad idea, dog.
Oh my gosh.
I ain't sharing this. Where's the crazy card at?
Oh my gosh.
How long does this shit last?
Like 2 hours?
Nah, it'll last like 5 minutes and then it'll kick in again.
Oh gosh.
Oh. Are you finished, Thomas?
Oh no. What do you think? What do you think about this?
I'm just glad I didn't make the decision to participate in this.
There's so much sweat and saliva.
I don't know. That's crazy. This is hilarious.
No. What do you think?
I feel safe.
How do you feel safe? Oh my gosh. One sweaty ass individual.
That is crazy.
Hey, this is me like after walking to my car.
That's me eating normally. I'm like a fat kid eating. How do you feel? He's regretting life.
My whole body is just like.
Well, productivity completely dropped after this.
Rob is sitting down.
Sorry, Lunar Crate is not getting.
Tuna crate's done for today. Oh.
My face.
Rob is done.
You guys are not laughing, so.
Yeah. You're just evil, man. You win. That's so weird. You're like normal, just sweaty, which is normal.
Me, like, after a mile run.
So much, bro.
Bro, look at your face. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He just regrets life.
We thought this was a good idea.
He puts his 2 weeks notice in tomorrow. Yeah, you seem pretty normal.
No, but I reached for the milk so quick though. Oh, that is terrible.
You know what's funny is in the beginning you thought about sharing your milk.
Nope, it's mine. It's mine.
What did it taste like?
Cost $10, guys. I don't like it. I was hoping.
It looked like a Dorito.
Look like a Dorito. Thanks for the obvious.
Did it taste like a Dorito?
Give it a nice taste, because there's peppers that have nice taste.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Before they kick your butt.
But remember,
It's really vinegary. I don't like it. I don't
No.
like vinegar based or like vinegary.
You look like you're in the sauna.
yeah.
I've never seen you so
Like
sweaty.
Yeah, you do. Like,
You haven't seen me work out. I
Like,
don't work out, so.
Oh.
Man, I need
atmosphere.
I need some breeze.
tell you all the ingredients on
What's over here? What's Rob?
what's in the Carolina Reaper goat.
Oh, my heart. Man. Oh man. He needs this private area.
Where's Rob at? I need to get this.
Uh oh. Uh oh.
Fatality.
Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
He needs some milk.
Oh no, he's done.
R.I.P. Rob.
R.I.P.
Grand.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Make sure I save your Xbox.
Hey, you know whose idea this was, right? Yours. Hey, in reality, his chips wasn't even hot at all. You actually swapped it out.
Mine was a real Dorito.
Oh man, Rob is dying. I feel kind of bad. I need crazy cart.
I don't even think you can get the crazy card out right now.
Oh man.
There you go, that's a good idea.
Oh, over here, stick your mouth in it. Look at you.
Oh man, this was bomb.
Oh.
It'll keep you like 5 minutes.
That's a-
Are you fucking serious?
Oh, damn.
Feel it like. I can feel it traveling down my fucking.
Flaming shit tonight.
Bro. Hey, text me how your shit feels later, yeah?
Just go home, go buy a bottle of Pepto and you'll be good.
Oh.
You're gonna poop out flaming hot Cheetos.
Oh my god.
Oh really? You drive you crazy, dude. You should have went with your instincts sometimes.
When you with instincts.
Your first instinct was don't do it, but you.
right, you still did it.
bought milk this morning though.
Damn, this guy.
Thomas is cool. Yeah, okay, good,
He's
dude.
not even sharing.
He bailed early.
Yeah, I bailed early.
He did.
That was insane though.
No, I thought you did it.
He's probably just spitting out and gagging and.
Don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs, guys. Don't do that shit.
Oh, yeah,
Don't do that
so
shit.
would you recommend this?
I would.
You would?
I would. It's fun.
It's fun.
Experience. If you can find it, buy it.
No bueno, huh?
Like you wouldn't wish this on your worst
No bueno.
enemy.
No?
You look like you wouldn't wish this on your worst enemy.
Is this a good like
No, I wouldn't. No, I wish.
Oh bro, that's just harsh. You're just a mean man. I'm never taking Doritos from you. Oh man. The spiciest thing ever?
Round 2 is kicking in.
I'm never. Round 2's kicking in. What the fuck you mean round 2?
Like in 5 minutes.
The fuck you mean round 2?
The effect comes in again.
Yeah, Carolina Reaper will like creep back and back and back and back.
Oh my god.
Hilarious.
So is this the spiciest thing ever you've ever tasted?
Yeah, it is for me.
Yeah? Jeez. Wow. Is there something spicy? Wait, no, you said your noodles that you had the other day was spicy.
They were bad, but they weren't this bad.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna bring a pack.
Are you gonna eat it here?
Drink water.
It helps?
No, it does not help. It's fucking worse when you drink water.
Don't drink water.
Don't drink water.
What about milk? Oh my god.
I brought milk.
Look at him, he's like, hand it over. Oh,
Give it the
man.
last of my milk. There you go.
Oh, that's a good friend right there. Hey, yeah, there we go. Move it around. There you go.
Yeah, swish it in your mouth.
Yeah, move it around. Really enjoyed that, because that milk is the last milk you'll have.
Last milk I'm gonna have.
Oh gosh, yeah, you gave.
Granted, like I just drank like a whole like
Oh my
quart of
God.
milk.
This shit does not help.
It does help.
Look at you. Are you tapping your head? Can you pat your head and rub your belly at the same time? There we go. There you
The
go.
other way?
There we go.
I don't want to tap it though.
No. Poopy time. Woo! 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 Man. It's funny, but I feel bad at the same time. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to laugh or not. Especially with Rob.
No, you're always supposed to laugh at your friends.
Oh,
Always.
don't lick your lips?
Nope.
Don't.
Yeah, don't.
You licked your lips? Don't lick your lips. Hey, can we admire these little droplets?
Little? That's a puddle.
It is. I don't know if this is from the mouth or their
I didn't even
pants.
know I could salivate that much.
Oh my goodness.
I could probably like salivate into this water bottle. It would be the same, and then drink it again, and it would be good.
Gosh. Oh gosh.
I need to go inside.
Yeah.
I
Inside.
feel good. Just my stomach started turning, and then now.
Oh, really?
No, I feel fine stomach-wise.
That's what I'd be scared of.
Yeah. How's your stomach feel?
Whole stomach with like milk.
How long does it last? How long? For real? How long does it last? It lasts a while. It lasts like 5 minutes, and then it like creeps again.
Does it help if you like run your face through a fan
Yeah.
with air?
It does?
Yeah.
Go turn the fan on. Your biggest fan.
I found it like up. I found a piece of the chip like up here,
Oh,
and
man.
so now like that part of my mouth is.
Oh no. Okay, let's see if this helps Rob or not.
Yes.
What's the fastest? 3?
Here, I got it. I got you. I got you.
Oh.
It doesn't help. It helps a little bit? Yeah? No, it doesn't help at all. Get that shit away from me. Oh, what happened? What happened?
Carolina Reaper next or what?
Dude, okay, well, I know Rob's not gonna do it with you. No?
I'll do it, Carolina.
Okay, we got 1, 2. I wanted a third person to be cool.
I could probably
My
bring
sister.
somebody.
My sister.
Third person? No.
My dad will be down. He's like
Oof, oof, oof.
Mexican, so he
Ooh, he's like
Ooh,
Mexican.
that'd be a good one.
he handles heat.
Yeah.
He can cuss in Spanish.
Yeah.
How about your girlfriend?
I don't know.
Oh.
My sister likes hot foods too. Like she'd be down.
Oh gosh.
She's a nurse, so she could like make sure we're all right.
Oh my gosh.
That's what we needed today, a nurse.
I know, right? Definitely needed.
Rob.
He's over here looking at the Civic, crying. Yeah, drink the Jameson. I heard it helps. No, don't drink it. It's dirty water. Yeah, it's not. I heard if you jump on one leg and, you know, sing Barney songs. Oh man. Oh shit. Dude, look at this guy. He's just chilling like nothing's wrong.
My lips kind of hurt, but that's it. Grow a pair, Rob. Come on.
Grow up hair.
Like always eating hot Cheetos and hair on your chest.
Oh my guys, yeah, this is gonna put some hair on your balls. Oh man.
But not so far.
You know what we should have done is we should have made you guys eat the chip and then do a challenge with it. Like drift a cart or like try to package a box. You guys are funny. Edgar, bro. Edgar, bro, are you gonna do it? Edgar.
It's just a corner. Oh, it's so hot.
Oh, you looking player. Hell no. Y'all got me confused.
Mike, let's do the chip
See,
challenge.
like,
Hell no.
You, Edgar, Nicole.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Look at Rob. You think I'm gonna experience that? It looks like he's about to just die. What's that?
The people I can't handle
Yeah.
because he has no pain. I mean, no spice
I
tolerance.
handled it just fine.
You threw up.
We've got it on video.
There's the people that bail out early,
Oh.
and then there's the people that just don't want to do anything. They just want to let it happen. I sweat so much, and there was so much saliva.
I can't feel right here. God, your lips are gone, dude.
Your lip. You don't have lips anymore. You don't have lips. Let's go. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Look, he's just chilling. You look pretty normal. Edgar's just laughing at us. And he's over here just touching mannequins. He's looking for comfort. He's looking for comfort. Oh man. It's like, please somebody help me. Jeez, yeah, keep the box, man. You definitely deserve it. Yeah, you survived the fucking challenge. Those are crazy people.
Did I drink water?
Barely, dude.
Not barely.
Barely. He barely drank
barely
any.
drink water.
Rob finished that and milk and the fan and was jumping.
Yeah.
You want some of my water? It's cold. You okay there?
Yeah, how's...
No, because last time I drank water, it was bad. Somebody just broke your heart.
You said you can't wait to take a dump? Oh my
It's gonna
god.
be one of the easiest shits I have in the world.
Bro, don't even play. Don't look at you. Your eyes are watery. You're holding a bottle. Yes, cool.
Like a total third time.
No.
Once I'm ready and I go to the restroom and I sit down, like all the way, it's gonna be like somebody just gets a 12 gauge and just.
When you're gonna be at home, you're gonna hear. The birds are gonna pick off.
That's just nasty.
Walking around made my stomach hurt.
So how does it feel now? You're like 12, 13 minutes in or some crazy number. How's it feel?
I'm gonna have a child.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Is your chest hurting still?
Feels good. That was good.
Alright,
I think I
so
took
are we
died?
supposed to go home so we don't blow up the work?
Huh?
Are we supposed to go home so we don't blow up the work?
Oh man, you were supposed to package again. You got saliva in each package. Help.
That was good. I think we took it pretty well.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty, not a big deal.
Good job. Good job, guys. Good job.
Look at this. Look at this. You need to take a shit?
I'm scared to go take a shit that I'm just gonna be sweating on myself.
Hey, we just had the cleaners here, so let's not make a mess. Oh man.
There's bushes outside.
Oh, the bushes outside.
There's plenty of microfibers.
Oh.
And shop rag.
Oh.
No.
Just my my cheeks and like my lips
Cheeks,
felt like
mouth,
numb, and then I felt like my chest, like it traveled down my chest.
See? Are you left-handed or right-handed? You felt ears? What the hell?
Yeah, like my ears.
Yeah.
Because you had a different reaction. Like you get a dopamine like pretty much released. You know?
Huh.
I don't know if
My
that's
ears
right
just
people,
popped.
but
Yours just
I felt
popped?
like I just went down the hill.
Oh my gosh. This is unnatural. Why do people do such things?
Because race car?
Oh, it's true.
no, the one I was watching, like I showed my dad, like the guy ate the chip and then he starts like trying to rap as he eats, like it's not too hot. I can keep going, and he's like, ooh. Well, the guy Chili Claus has a choir, like a bunch of kids, right?
Huh?
They sing choir, and halfway through it, they eat a hot pepper.
That's retardo.
And then the kids are singing, and you can tell the kids are just like sweating.
Oh. Oh my god. What's going on? What do you think about these guys?
I think they're crazy.
They are.
That's number one. I'm just glad that I went with my own instinct and didn't participate in this challenge because I think we would have been calling 911.
Are you okay in there? Did you come out of the bathroom?
Also on.
Oh, that's not a good sign. All right, guys. How are you now?
Pretty good.
Good? You're good? How are you? You're good?
Pretty good.
I
Yeah.
expected more.
Yeah?
I expected way more. It was super overhyped.
Wow. Wow. How are you?
You died.
You died and came back.
I think I took it pretty well. It wasn't that bad.
Straight face.
You
Straight.
didn't sweat, you didn't throw up or anything. You're good.
I was crying a little bit, but like I bitched out early. So.
Like hearing and stuff, but I bitched out early.
I heard somebody say mommy. Somebody said mommy.
Alright guys, chip challenge for them. I know it's a little bit old of a challenge, but very cool. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys like, if you saw, hit the subscribe button, like button. See you guys next time. Snapchat.